Hi, I'm Dan Quinn, a project engineer with New Age Industries at Vanapure, and I'm here today to teach you about one of our product offerings, ThermoBarb fittings. ThermoBarb is a barb fitting designed to work with soft tubing like silicone, flexible PVC, polyurethane, TPR, latex, and Viton tubing with short A hardness values ranging anywhere from 35 up to 85. ThermoBarb fittings are available in several types of plastic like nylon, polyethylene, polypropylene, and FDA-approved polypropylene. They're also available in brass for added durability. Let's take a look at the plastic ThermoBarbs first. Styles include elbows, T's, straight and reducer connectors, adapters, and multi-port fittings like 3-way and 4-way connectors. Plastic ThermoBarbs are lightweight and compact, meaning there's no bulky housing like you'll have with some other styles of fittings. They offer excellent chemical resistance, are free of phthalates, and are REACH and restriction of hazardous substances compliant. Depending on the plastic material, the fittings also offer resistance to solvents and UV exposure, temperature usage up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and California Proposition 65 compliance. Many are free of animal-derived ingredients and BPA and are made from FDA-compliant materials. The nylon fitting is made from ingredients that are NSF 51 and NSF 61 listed. Applications vary widely, but include food and beverage lines, chemical transfer, and other general air and fluid transfer systems. Brass ThermoBarbs are a good general-purpose fitting for industrial uses. They offer a working pressure of up to 150 psi at 160 degrees Fahrenheit with the appropriate clamps, and a working temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. To install a ThermoBarb fitting on your tubing or hose product, start by inserting a barbed end of the tubing by twisting the fitting back and forth, not just in one direction. If twisted in only one direction, it may create a pathway similar to a screw thread, which is more prone to leakage. The tubing should be tight enough to grip around all the fitting's barbs. In a few cases, like very low pressure situations, you can call this installation complete, but in many applications you'll need to attach the fitting to the tubing with a clamp. New Age Industries stocks nylon, stainless steel worm gears, and Oettinger ear-type clamps. The clamp installation works the same for any style of ThermoBarb fitting, whether it's made from plastic or brass. To install a worm gear, slide the clamp onto the tubing and tighten securely using a flathead screwdriver or hex tool. For Oettingers, use the appropriate size crimp tool to pinch the ear on the clamp until it is fastened tightly around the tubing. For quick clamp installation, position the clamp on the barbs of the fitting and squeeze the sides by hand or with a crimp tool until it is secure and the teeth are engaged. The clamp installation works the same for any style of ThermoBarb fitting, whether it's made from plastic or brass. Another attachment option is to use a cable tie. Leaks can occur when there isn't a good fit, like when the fitting is too small, which is why the outer diameter of the barb area on the fitting must be larger than the inner diameter for the tubing. For example, a 1/4 inch ID tubing should use a barb fitting with a barb OD of at least 0.270 inches. Your tubing and fitting materials need to work well with each other, as well as being the right choice for your application. For instance, a brass barb fitting would not be a good match for soft silicone tubing because the barb design could be too sharp for the silicone material and could cut into the wall of the tubing and cause a failure. Polyurethane tubing or reinforced hose, which is much more resilient and resistant to tearing than silicone, may be a better match for the brass barb fitting. If you have any questions or need help deciding what type of fitting or tubing is best choice for your application, give us a call, or you can go to the Contact Us tab on our website and send us an email. We'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.